Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. I have another Christmas in July video for you today. We are going to be making this very easy and simple snowflake palette sign. If you don't want to miss any of the upcoming Christmas in July videos, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. As always, please like, comment, and share my video. It really helps my channel to grow. But let's just go ahead and get into this video. I really love this DIY and can't wait to share. For this DIY project, you are going to be needing a scrap piece of wood. I'm going to be using this chalk paint by Waverly in white. I'm also going to be using a stippling brush and this a very cute snowflake stencil from Walmart. It is from about 2 years ago. You are going to be needing some scissors. Masking tape is optional, or spray adhesive. You would use one or the other. For the wood, I am using this piece that came off of a pallet. It still has some of these huge nails in there that I'm gonna have to take off. You can see where the wood is splitting here at the ends, also here at the bottom, which I absolutely love. It has some ugly stains here that I need to clean it off. Here it is after I went ahead and sanded it. As you can see, I did just a very light sanding. I didn't want to remove any of the natural patina that it has. It was just so that when I handled it, I didn't cut myself or get any pricks from the pieces of wood that were coming off. Now this is a stencil that we're going to use. As you can see, it's too big, so I am going to cut the pieces individually. Make sure that you leave enough space at the end so that you can add your tape. And for the paint to go over when you're stenciling, go ahead and make sure that all of your snowflakes fit within your size of palette wood. I was going to try the spray adhesive so that I didn't have any bleed through, but it does say on here that it's perfect for repositioning and has specific instructions on how to make it be a temporary bond, so make sure that you read those instructions. I went ahead and decided what was going to be the top and bottom of my piece, sprayed the back of all of my stencils. It says here to let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes. I let it dry for 5 and you can see how nice and tacky they all got. I'm going to go ahead and prep my chalk paint, and then I'm going to decide on what pattern I want my snowflakes to be here on my board. I wasn't going to use the largest snowflake because it didn't fit within it, but I did end up deciding that I liked the look of half of them or some of them being on and off of the palette. I am making sure to leave space between the snowflakes so that I can come back and add some details. When using these types of stencils, it does help to have a stippling brush with stiff bristles. I am also dipping my brush in the paint and then removing any excess in one of the empty cavities of my tray. And I'm just going to do very simple stippling motions up and down. And as you can see, it makes it so that it has no bleed through. The adhesive helps a lot as well. Some of it unfortunately did come off, so my suggestion is don't leave it on for too long. You are going to see how I correct that later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing the stippling of these snowflakes. I am going to let you know that I only reused them twice. After the second time, there were some that I did end up using 3 or 4 times. I went ahead and gave it another quick spray of the adhesive, again letting it dry for the 3 to 5 minutes so that they became tacky again. Here it is after I am done with all of my snowflakes. It's fully dry. Dry time was actually really quick, which was good. I did have other places where the adhesive came off of the stencil. I'm going to go ahead and clean that up with a sanding block, and all I'm going to do is sand it off. I'm also going to sand off some of the edges where some extra paint came through. This was really quick. I just went ahead and cleaned all of those off, and then when it came to taking off the adhesive, I was just trying to be careful not to take off any of the paint. I didn't do it here, but I am going to go back and add some distressing to the snowflakes because I feel like I'm going to like that much better. At the end, it'll fit better with my home decor. This part is completely optional. I wasn't even going to do it until I remembered I had these. These are sawtooth hangers, and these are nailless, so you're just going to hammer them into your piece of wood. So I just decided where I wanted it in the back. I eyeball everything, but you can definitely measure. And this little thing on its own, it tells you exactly where to stop nailing so that you still have enough space for a nail to go through. Here it is where I went ahead and styled it. I went ahead and did a whole little Christmas vignette so that I could show you how I ended up using this. I don't know where I'm going to use it for the actual Christmas season, but I absolutely love it here. I love the way that it came out. I love the way that this piece of wood is just shining through behind all of these snowflakes. Again, I'm going to go back and just stress them because I do feel it is too stark white. But I hope that you enjoy this project. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I have a lot of great videos coming up for more of the Christmas in July series. Also, I'm still going to be doing summer videos, so make sure you are subscribed. Make sure that you like this video, comment on it, and share it. It really helps my channel to grow. Again, thank you for watching, and you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.